Today we're gonna go over a very interesting update to a popular Blender add-on called Kit Ops. Kit Ops is an add-on that allows you to use inserts on surfaces to make them look more complex in a very short period of time. This can come in handy for hard surface modeling, industrial design, or architectural projects. You can use these inserts in packages called Kpacks. Recently, Chip Walters, the developer of the add-on, added a special type of Kpacks that allow you to easily add many virtual 3D interiors to your architectural visualization 3D exterior scenes in Blender. And as you might know, these Kpacks work on both Eevee and Cycle's render engines. The mind-blowing thing about these new Kpacks is that they use the parallax effect. Why this is important, you might ask? Well, because it allows you to visualize scenes that may need millions of polygons using just tens or hundreds of polygons in the scene, since all the work is gonna be done using the effect called parallax. This basically can come in very handy if you have a slow computer or a medium one, because as you might know, visualizing big architectural scenes is going to take a lot of computing power, and this here is a very good solution for it. The interesting thing is that you're gonna have almost identical fidelity and quality as using polygons compared to using this Wparallax effect inside Blender. Just to make things clear for those who don't know what a parallax effect is, a parallax effect is a displacement or difference in the apparent position of an object viewed along two different lines of sight and is measured by the angle or semi-angle of inclination between two lines. Usually the way this effect is used is to add movement to 2D artwork. This movement and shifting of perspective in the background elements gives the results and the illusion of depth. This visual effect offsets the foreground and background and immerses the viewer into a more in-depth and attractive experience. Using the Wparallax Kpack, you can do different things such as duplicating, scaling, and placing these illusions directly and very simply on simple planes on walls of buildings to give the impression that you are looking from the outside of buildings that are alive and populated with tons of architectural elements such as furniture, people, plants, goods, and so on. In addition to that, you can move these elements inside the buildings, so to speak, if you want to rearrange how they look or if you have another specific design in mind. These Wparallax come in 3 different Kpacks. These are rooms, offices, and retail. Each one of these has its own assets and elements that it is comprised of. The office pack, room pack, and retail pack each have 30 individual inserts that can be easily inserted using Kit Ops Pre or Kit Ops 2 Pro, and each insert has both night and day mode, making for 15 different designs. If you are interested in the Kit Ops add-on and the Wparallax Kpacks, you will find the necessary links in the description. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. Also, you can check some of our old videos. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.